Hello, welcome to Wednesday's work. You made it through your first day, or at least your first part. If you're continuing to move on, we are going to start with Wednesday. You should have already done Tuesday. Try and do the work in order. It'll just make a little bit more sense. So if we click on Wednesday, there's a few things that we need to do. So first, you're going to read these pages from Reading Street and retell the story to another person. Go ahead and just click on that. I've already uploaded the sheets here, so they're going to read that and then retell what happened here. Go back and you're finished with that. Then you're going to go and read the Decodable from Pearson Realize. So you can just go ahead and click on this Pearson Realize here. We're reading Decodable 22B. I'm going to go to Pearson Realize. You might still be logged in. If you were logged in yesterday, you might have to re-log in. I think it depends. So again, go to Classes. You'll have your assignments, and I'm going to go to Decodable 22B, click on that, and go through the same process as yesterday. When I'm finished, I can go back to that page. Go back to Wednesday. So we've read the Decodable. Now we're going to reread Carl the Complainer. So again, you're going to go back to Pearson Realize. Go ahead, and you might have to go to, so we're going to go to Classes. And then you might have to go to completed assignments if you had said that you were completed. I looked at that earlier, so I would just click that again. Go ahead and read the story again. This time have your child not have the hippo read to it if they don't have to. I'd like them to read it this time. When you're done reading Carl the Complainer for the second time, you're going to go back here. Again, we're going to go to Wednesday, because that's what day we're on. So that we reread the story. We're going to do an assignment with this. So on this assignment, we're going to write a summary about Carl the Complainer. There's 3 different ways that you can do it. The first way is they can type their summary. That's difficult for some, easy for others. Second way is that they can write it down and they can read it to me, or they can just say it on a recording. Or 3, they can write it on paper. You can take a picture of it and upload it. So I'm going to show you how to do those things. This is the rubric of the things that I will be looking for. And then when you are ready to begin the assignment, you're going to click Submit Assignment. That's going to give you this text box down here. So this is something that we didn't have before. So now we have a file upload. So if you choose to upload the file, choose File, and then choose the picture of your child's summary. Go ahead and upload it and submit. If you want to do a text entry, you can go ahead and have them type it here, or if you want to type it for them, if they're giving it to you, that's totally fine as well. Go ahead and submit. Now, for whatever reason, when I choose to do a recording, it inverts the camera here, so don't be alarmed. Well, it's done. It won't be a big deal. But if they want to record themselves reading their summary or just saying their summary, they're going to click on this button here, Record Upload Media. When you do that, you have a box here, and then they can start their recording. Carl the Complainer is about blah, 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 blah. Go ahead and finish. They can save it, and then it'll save here for them. And then I can go ahead and submit that. So that is what they're going to do for the assignment. So just make sure that you submit when you are finished. I'm not going to submit, so I'm just going to leave. The next page is also for Wednesday. This is a Nearpod. This is something that they're very familiar with, so it shouldn't be too difficult for them. This will pop up here. They've got their name. They'll go ahead and just click that next button, and they'll be able to go ahead and do Carl the Complainer. So we have a recording of some of this.
Carl the Complainer, written by Michelle Knudsen.
So they can go ahead and listen to that. And then they'll go ahead and do these slides. Some slides there's activities, some they might have to read, but they will do that, and that is all for Wednesday's activities. When they're done, they can just go ahead and click Next. And again, you see this is for Thursday, so they can either stop here or you can watch my next video.